Transforming real estate with TSplus Remote Access. In today's fast-paced real estate market, managing multiple agencies efficiently is crucial. Meet Sarah, a seasoned real estate professional who oversees multiple offices across the state. With over 15 years in the industry, Sarah understands the challenges of managing multiple locations, especially in today's dynamic market. Like many in the industry, Sarah has faced challenges in coordinating teams, accessing critical data, and providing timely client service across locations. Keeping everything running smoothly across different offices was tough, and she needed a solution to help her stay on top of things. Enter TSplus Remote Access, a groundbreaking solution for the real estate sector. Here's how TSplus transformed Sarah's operations. TSplus made a world of difference. She now has access to all of her data. She has access to all of her data and can coordinate with her team no matter where they are located. It's been a real game changer. Seamless listing management. Agents can now update property listings in real time from anywhere, ensuring accuracy and responsiveness. Secure document collaboration. Teams collaborate remotely on contracts and agreements, streamlining transactions and reducing delays. Enhanced client interactions. Access client information on the go to provide personalized, timely service and increase satisfaction. Virtual property tours. High-quality video conferencing enables remote property tours, extending client reach and saving time. Streamlined administration. Back-office staff can access essential tools remotely, improving overall operational efficiency. Key benefits. Workflow flexibility allows agents to shift from in-office to anywhere work, increasing agent productivity. Robust security features like encrypted connections and two-factor authentication protect sensitive client information. Scalable operations make it easy to manage access and applications across multiple offices and platforms, including cloud services. Professional branding. A customizable web portal maintains a consistent brand image across all digital interactions. Efficient printing. Remote printing capabilities ensure document accessibility without the need for specific drivers. Sarah's branch network now operates more efficiently, with improved communication, faster transaction processing, and enhanced customer service. TSplus Remote Access didn't just solve problems, it opened up new opportunities for growth and customer engagement. Trusted by more than 500,000 companies worldwide, TSplus is recognized as a leading Citrix alternative, with top ratings on major review platforms like Google, SourceForge, G2, Trustpilot. Start your free 15-day trial of TSplus Remote Access today, or contact sales. See for yourself how it can streamline your multi-agency management and increase your team's productivity.